Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove and install a sewing machine needle. Firstly, you're going to need a tool or a screwdriver to help you remove the needle. And then these are the sewing needles that I'm going to use on my sewing machine. And now there's a pin already. Now when you insert your sewing needle, make sure that the flat surface is facing away from you. Now we're going to put in the needle inside the clamp. We're going to push it up as far as we can get it, and then we're going to close it using the needle clamp screw, and we're going to tighten it using our tool, or you could use a screwdriver, which most sewing machines will have. And then there is. And now you use the same method when you want to remove the needle. Take the same tool, and then you're just going to loosen up the needle clamp screw, and then you just take it out. That's it. That's how you insert and remove a sewing needle onto your sewing machine.
If you want to learn how to sew and create a side income through your sewing projects, please click on the subscription below, as well as the bell icon. Every time I upload a new video, you will get a notification. If you want to watch more videos for sewing beginners, go down to the description area below. You will find the 40 listed basic lessons for the beginners. Please like, comment below. Thank you for watching.